Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set saving limits in digits. So you want to control how much digits saves for you. Well, setting savings limits helps you to stay within your budget while still reaching your goals. So first thing you got to do is open the digit app. So launch the app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the goal that you want to limit. Just tap on the saving goal where you want to apply a limit. Whatever goal it is, just select that, and once you're in, tap the settings gear icon. Now in the goals details screen, locate and tap the gear icon to open goal settings. There you can set a maximum total amount digit will save for that goal, or a daily savings limit to cap how much gets transferred from your bank account per day. Once you're done, once your limits are in place, Digit will adjust its savings behavior to stay within those boundaries, so just save your settings. This feature is perfect for managing multiple goals or keeping savings in check during tighter financial months. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.